Quick daily market analysis for Thursday, July the 3rd. Hi guys, I'm Don. I'm a financial analyst and a trader. We had a broad-based rally today in US markets. That's after the job report was released this morning. We had private employers creating 147,000 jobs against the estimate of 110,000 jobs, so much better than anticipated. We also had the unemployment rate drop down to 4.1% from 4.2% in the previous month. And over to European markets where stocks rose as well. That's on the back of the ECB out saying that inflation is definitely now in a long-term downward trend there. So that invigorated investors and traders to get out and buy stocks. We did have German export figures coming in for their cars dropping much more than anticipated because over those American tariffs. And over to UK markets where stocks rose. That's on the back of the PMI service sector report out showing the service sector increased for the previous month there up to 52.8 from the previous reading of 50.9. We had private employers out in the UK saying they expect wage growth to slow for the rest of this year and into next year as well. And lastly, over to Canadian markets where stocks rose even though we had a drop in oil and gold prices. We had a report out showing that Canada's trade deficit dropped in May, sort of narrowing that big loss from April down to 5.9 billion from April's 7.6 billion, so a big adjustment there. That improvement is being based on an increase in natural resources, and it is expected that over the longer term that the export figures will continue to drop between Canada and the US.